Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am using... What are you doing? Love you, bye. Oh, love you too, bye. Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm very excited. We are using the Tati Beauty Textured Neutrals Volume 1 Pressed Palette. That's a mouthful. I'm gonna do a wearable look and a glam look. So if you wanna see it, just hang out. Okay, you guys, I was not planning to buy this. When I saw the beautiful Tati, look at her. God, it's unfair. It's unfair. When I saw that Tati was finally going to start releasing makeup, I was very excited, proud, all of those things. She's been around for a long, long time and I'm really happy for her success. But when I saw the palette reveal, I was like, oh, okay. It didn't blow my hair back. However, I was pretty impressed though by the layout. Let me show you what I mean. Whoa. Holy moly. Each column that you see has a name, and then each row is a different texture. Textured neutrals. These are neutrals. So smart, Tati. So the first row is mattes. The second row is called sequin. The next one is metallic, and then this last one is glitter. Now, do we need this much glitter in our lives? I mean, glitter is my favorite color, so yes. I have only used this once. I used it yesterday and I was pretty impressed. I did a very light look, probably gonna do something very similar today for this video, but then we're really gonna dig into it for the glam look. It's pretty, yes. But you don't understand how pretty it is in person. Like when I opened it up, I was like, whoa, what? It's just much prettier in person. Anyways, the thing that I didn't realize until I had it in my little hand is in the sequin row, when you hear the word sequin, you think like big, chunky, like glitter. It's not at all. It's just glittery, but like super tiny, like invisible glitter. Anyways, this color Aura and this color Poet, they both are iridescent, which I didn't expect that at all. You wouldn't expect that from, what is this, like a highlight shade? You would kind of expect them to be, I don't know, not iridescent. I'm so articulate. Okay, so we're gonna do one very wearable and easy look, and then we're gonna do a super glam look. So let's get started on the easy look. Let's go into Soothe, this brown matte. Maybe I should have washed my brushes. And I'm gonna run that in this crease. This is a very warm toned brown. So I feel like it's gonna be complementary to a better range of skin tones, like deeper skin tones without being, you know, ashy. That's no bueno. Going to run that color underneath, you know me. Okay, now with a small fluffy brush, I am going to dip into Story. It's this orangey tone. I know I said that I was gonna do wearable, so I mean, I'm just showing you that you can use a crazy orange color and it still be pretty wearable. Now with that first brush, just blending without adding any additional color. Okay, now with a flat definer brush, I'm going to stamp into this brown matte Ritual, and I'm going to stamp it in this lower lash line but only in the very, very outer corner. And then I'm going to try not to pull my eye too hard, but I'm gonna stamp it up in this top outer corner as well. Okay, and then with that tiny fluffy brush, no additional color, I'm just gonna soften that. What that's doing is kind of pulling up that outer corner, or at least I'm trying to. So now with a regular shadowy lid brush, whatever that's called, I'm gonna dip into these two colors and mix them together, the Aura and Soothe from the sequin row. And I'm gonna tap that right in the inner portion. I'm gonna repeat that process on this eye over here, and I'm gonna put on mascara, and then we'll be right back to see the finished look. All right, I'm back. I put on mascara, and of course you can see that I did the other eye. I also changed my lip, so there was just like a gloss before, so I didn't look like a corpse. But this is the combo of Gerard Cosmetics Nude Lip Pencil and Urban Decay Fuel Vice lipstick in the color Fuel. So this is kind of like a, you know, orangey, clayish, pumpkin-y tones. Yeah, I would call this a pumpkin look. It's really good for blue eyes, really good for green eyes. It really makes them pop because it's a nice contrasting color. So far, so good. Most of this look is mattes. I didn't have any skipping. I didn't have any fallout at all. Pretty amazing stuff. So now we're gonna switch gears and we're gonna go into Glam Town, okay? And what I'm gonna do, the row, like these center 4 rows, I mean, those are colors that I visit all the time, right? So for Glam, we're gonna use the Memory row and we're gonna use the Poet row. So we're gonna do like berry tones and dark metallics, cool tones. I'm pretty excited about it. I think it could be a really fun holiday look, so let's see if I can pull it off. Okay guys, we're ready for the glam look. What I did was I went ahead and got one eye completely done because I wanted you to be able to see where I'm ending up, because when you're doing a really dramatic, strong eye look, sometimes it's a little disastrous as you're going along, and you kind of maybe lose a little confidence and if it's gonna work out or not. So this is where we're headed. So here we go. First of all, the lashes that I'm wearing today are these Ardell Mega Volume Never Flat Multi-Layered. These are pretty incredible. They're like super duper dramatic, and I wanna say they're like $7 or less. Super inexpensive. Anyways, I've got them. You're gonna focus? No? Not? Why would ya? Yeah, so they're number 252. The little bits are the parts that I trimmed off, and then I just have some glue on them. If you are new here, the way that I put on lashes, I put glue on the lashes and I put glue on my lash line as well. I'll put down in the description box my how to put on lashes video. It's very helpful, if I do say so myself. First of all, yes, I'm using the berry tones, but you know, I need a little bit of warmth in there. So first, I'm gonna go in with Soothe on a big fluffy brush, and we're pretty much laying down a base. We're gonna take this beautiful matte berry tone called Poet, and the shape of this color is kind of like outer corner up to the top of the brow. We're really gonna get friendly with the top of the brow there. Now with a small fluffy brush, I've dipped into the matte color of Poet, and we're running that in the lower lash line. And with this fluffy brush, we're blending. With a small angled brush, I'm gonna dip into the matte black called Memory, tap off the extra. I didn't really notice any fallout at all so far with these matte shadows. They're pretty incredible, and this black is very, very, very pigmented. So we're using a very light hand, and I'm gonna go into this outer corner and really deepen it up. See, it looks crazy. Okay, so you just dip back into Poet and blend. Okay, now with a flat definer brush, we're gonna tap into that matte black color, and we are tapping all along the lower lash line. Grab a little more of Soothe on a fluffy brush and run it along this lower lash line. It just helps diffuse that purple so it looks less like a bruise. Right now it looked like I was striked.
I will strike you. Blasphemy. Do you want to get striked?
With the tiny fluffy brush, we're grabbing Poet. Poet is our blending color today, and we're just gonna blend that lower lash line stamp just to soften it a little bit. Okay, so now I'm gonna dip into the sequin color in the memory row with my angled brush, and I'm gonna lay that color in this outer corner. This is bringing some really subtle sparkle, which is really nice, even though we're gonna put glitter on top of it. Small fluffy brush with Poet, just blend those edges. It's pretty much like after every step, blend with this brush with a little bit of Poet. In the Poet row, we're gonna grab this metallic color of Poet. It's really shining here. I mean, it's a beautiful like plum color with like a very warm gold pink reflect. That's a lot of colors. Okay, but we're gonna use our finger. The inner corner is a little bit of a mess right now. Don't worry. We're gonna fix it. Make sure you tap along that edge where the black kind of meets that pink metallic. Now with a small, just regular shader brush, I'm gonna dip into that pink color, and I'm just tapping and kind of cleaning up that inner corner a little bit. It's a little messy. Now, the fun part. Glitter! I'm gonna dip into the glitter shade with my finger. This is Poet. Holy crap. Now remember, this glitter is not eye safe, okay? If it gets in your eye, you are going to feel it. Did I get some in my eye? Mm-hmm. It doesn't feel nice. Okay, so be very, very careful. I'm gonna take a very tiny brush. This is a Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush, and I'm going to use that to try to pick up the rest of the glitter and carefully press it onto the lid. You know, the most impressive thing about this glitter is that it really sticks. I'm not using any glitter glue, I'm not using any other fixative or assistance. It's just staying, and it's very minimal fallout. Like, as long as you are, you know, pretty careful and precise with your application, it's not gonna go all over the place. So now with that same little brush, I'm gonna dip into the glitter that's in the memory row, the black row. I'm gonna tap that on the outer corner. Gorgina. We got a couple strays that joined the party on the bottom lash line, but that's okay. With a tiny little smudger brush, I'm gonna stamp into the metallic finish of the memory row, and I'm gonna stamp that in the bottom lash line. Now it's time for a little bit of black pencil. We're gonna put that in that lower waterline. Now I'm gonna add some mascara on top and bottom, and I'm going to place my lashes. In the last video that I actually showed me putting the glue, the lash glue on my lash line, someone had commented, oh, you don't put the glue on the lash? Yes, I put the glue on the lash and my lid, and then the glue sticks to the glue. And they're bulletproof, girl. Woo! That is dramatique. You can wear this out to the supermarket, farmer's market, PTA meeting. We're almost done with this super glam look. With a very, very tiny brush, I'm gonna dip into the metallic shade in the Aura row. That's like this, the light highlight row. And I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. Okay, this is the finished look. So this is very dramatic. This is very fun. It's very festive and party and evening and, you know, whatever time of day you want to wear it, you do it. So the lip combination that I'm wearing today, I'm not sure if it actually works with this look. I think I need something a little bit more berry, but I don't really have anything like that right now. This is the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick in the color A Mauve Story. A little bit of Alamar Silver Gloss, Mother of Pearl Gloss, and a little bit of lip liner from ColourPop. This is the color Oh Snap. So the verdict on the Tati palette, I like it a lot. I think it's very versatile. You're getting 6 color rows and 4 textures. So you're getting like 24, right? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Wow, math. You're getting 24 shadows, unlimited options. This is just volume 1, so who knows what is coming next, but I'm pretty excited about it. This is a very dramatic look, but hey, the holidays are coming up, and what better time to bust out the glitter than now? Okay, so I think that wraps things up for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you liked it, then make sure that you subscribe to this YouTube channel before you leave today. I upload new videos here on YouTube every Thursday at noon. You can also follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, kind of, Twitter for sure, and I downloaded TikTok. I don't know what I'm doing besides sitting on the couch for 5 hours watching TikTok videos. That's a black hole. Did you get the Tati palette? What do you think about it? Leave your comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts, and I will catch you next week in next week's video. Bye! What's it called? Shit. For a total of 6 times 5, 30? Wow, it's not 5, I'm a moron. Hi, fuck. But this is the Dose of Colors Matte Lip... Oh, hey Tati. Yeah, fuck. Stupid. Hope that... Fuck. Learn how to talk. Now this glitter is definitely like a blue reflect. Reflect. It's got a blue reflect. Am I centered? Yes. Okay, last one. I will sell this house today. I will sell this house today.